Sincere thanks to our respected South American customers for visiting EagerLED Company. Your arrival adds a precious honor to us and also gives us the opportunity to show you our advanced technology and excellent products. First, we walked into the LED screen exhibition hall of EagerLED Company, showing our latest LED technology and innovative products. We are always committed to providing customers with a high-quality visual experience, and your recognition is the greatest support for our unremitting efforts. Then, we went to the LED aging workshop to show you the strict quality control during the production process. This visit gives you a more comprehensive understanding of our insistence on the quality of LED products to ensure that every screen can operate stably and reliably. Our professional technical team is also ready to answer any questions you may have about LED screen production and quality control.